Just trying to position the camera. Hold on. Okay. Alright, we're going to teach you how to do the secret glitch that the government doesn't want you to know about. Alright? First we need to get it to smoking.
Rangers lead the way.
You're going to want to go around here. And then go in this building. Go up to the slider. You might fall. See? You might fall. But. And then you get up here. Look at that little teddy bear. Pull up. And then you can snipe people out. Obviously there's no one there, but if there was, then they'd be dead. Or there's another way to do another glitch. This glitch is also well known, and most of you already probably know it. Okay, jump up here. Well, that busted out the window. Jump up here. Boom, snipe spot. And my favorite glitch is this one. Alright, say someone's chasing after you. Or there, and so you just fall off, and they think you're dead, and then they look down there, and you jump up, and either shoot them in the face, or you can stab them, too. Alright, so they're looking down. And it's easy to get back up there. I am Devin P11. Please comment and subscribe to my videos.